Hello my dear little ones, welcome back to our maths class. I hope you all are going on well. In the last class we have discussed how to measure the length of small objects. Today we are continuing the activities in the 8th lesson, Measure and Tell. Let's start our today's class. See the first activity, let's buy ribbon. Ramya bought 3 ribbons, each of length 50 centimeters. Arya bought 2 ribbons, each of length 1 meter. Placed side by side, whose ribbon will be longer? Children, how many ribbons Ramya bought? Yes, 3 ribbons, each of length 50 centimeters. That means length of one ribbon is 50 centimeters. Here Ramya bought 3 ribbons. So length of 3 ribbons equals 50 centimeters plus 50 centimeters plus 50 centimeters. That is 3 into 50 centimeters, which is equal to 150 centimeters. So the length of ribbon bought by Ramya is 150 centimeters. You know that Arya bought 2 ribbons, each of length 1 meter. That means Arya bought 2 ribbons and length of one ribbon is 1 meter. Then what is the length of 2 ribbons? Yes, length of 2 ribbons equals 2 meters. Here we have to find out whose ribbon will be longer. See children, here one measurement is in centimeter and the other one is in meter. Here we have to find out whose ribbon will be longer. Comparison between two quantities is possible only both of them are in the same unit. So, to compare the length of 2 ribbons, we have to convert 2 meters into centimeters. You know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. To convert meters into centimeters, we have to multiply the given meters with 100. That is 2 meters equals 2 into 100 centimeters, which is equal to 200 centimeters. So, the length of the ribbon bought by Arya is 200 centimeters. Children, can you say whose ribbon is longer? Yes, Arya's ribbon is longer. Can you say the length of each ribbon in meters? You know that length of Ramya's ribbon is 150 centimeters, which is more than 100 centimeters. In 150, how many hundreds are there? Yes, 100. So we can split 150 centimeters as 100 centimeters plus 50 centimeters. You know that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So 150 centimeters equals 1 meter 50 centimeters. So we can convert 150 centimeters as 1 meter 50 centimeters. Next, length of Arya's ribbon is 200 centimeters. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So 200 centimeters equals 2 meters. So we can convert 200 centimeters as 2 meters. Let's do the next activity, fill in the table. First we have to convert 230 centimeters into meters and centimeters. How many hundreds are there in 230? Yes, 2 hundreds. So we can split 230 centimeters into 200 centimeters plus 30 centimeters, which is equal to 2 meters plus 30 centimeters. So 230 centimeters equals 2 meters 30 centimeters. Next we can split 173 centimeters into 100 centimeters plus 73 centimeters, which is equal to 1 meter plus 73 centimeters. So 173 centimeters equals 1 meter 73 centimeters. Next we have to convert 3 meters 60 centimeters into centimeters. You know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So 3 meters equals 3 into 100 centimeters, which is equal to 300 centimeters. Then add this 60 centimeters with 300 centimeters. That is 300 centimeters plus 60 centimeters equals 360 centimeters. That is 3 meters 60 centimeters equals 360 centimeters. Next one, 1.5 meter. That is 1 meter plus half meter. You know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So half meter equals 50 centimeters. So 1 meter plus half meter equals 1 meter plus 50 centimeters. So 1.5 meter equals 1 meter 50 centimeters. Like this, you should find out these and write in your textbook. Let's do the next activity. How many meters? Suma had a piece of cloth 3 meters and 30 centimeters long. She bought 2 meters and 90 centimeters more and made 2 skirts for her daughter. How much cloth did she use in all? Children, how much cloth Suma had? Yes, 3 meters 30 centimeters. So length of cloth Suma had equals 3 meters 30 centimeters. Next, Suma bought 2 meters and 90 centimeters more cloth to make skirts for her daughter. So, length of cloth Suma bought equals 2 meters 90 centimeters. How much cloth did she use in all? That means we have to find out the total length of cloth. That is, total length of cloth equals 3 meters 30 centimeters plus 2 meters 90 centimeters. First arrange meter and centimeter as shown here. Here we have to add 3 meters 30 centimeters with 2 meters 90 centimeters. So first write 3 below the meter and 30 below the centimeter. Then write 2 below the meter and 90 below the centimeter. Then add together. First add the centimeters. 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 3, 12. Write 2 here, 1 is to be carried in the meter. Then add the meters each other. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. That is 6 meters 20 centimeters. So total length of cloth equals 6 meters 20 centimeters. You should do this exercise question in your rough note. Today's class is over. Thank you.